Today's video is on the top 3 best mobility scooters for seniors. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or use of it, we've got you covered. For more product information, I have included affiliate links below, updated for the best prices. Now, let's find your top pick. Number 3. Best budget. Vive 4-wheel mobility scooter. Looking for a way to easily navigate both smooth indoor floors and the rough outdoors? The Vive 4-wheel mobility scooter is here to provide that solution. Whether you're moving through a house, navigating a store, or venturing outside on a rugged path, you'll experience a smooth, comfortable ride. Built to support up to 265 pounds, this scooter doesn't just prioritize comfort, but durability and safety as well. Its 8-inch flat-free, non-marking tires are crafted to handle all kinds of surfaces without leaving marks or worrying about sudden flats. With a top speed of 3.7 miles per hour, it allows you to travel at your own comfortable pace. Plus, with a range of up to 12 4/10 miles on a single charge, you won't have to worry about running out of power too soon on longer trips. When it comes to comfort, the Vive scooter takes it to the next level. The wide 15 3/4 inch seat and backrest are generously padded, offering you a level of cushioning that helps reduce discomfort from prolonged sitting. The seat is also designed to swivel, so stepping off the scooter becomes easier and more gentle on your body. This is especially helpful for those who might suffer from back pain. For extra customization, the seat height is adjustable with the push of a lever, so you can quickly fine-tune the fit to your liking. Whether you're tall or shorter, finding the perfect seating position has never been easier. To enhance your comfort further, the scooter also includes 2 padded armrests. These armrests are not only adjustable, but can be flipped upward for even more convenience, especially when you're exiting or boarding the scooter. Transporting your Vive scooter is incredibly easy and stress-free. With the ability to quickly disassemble it into 4 separate pieces, you can effortlessly store and transport it wherever you need to go. Whether you're heading out on a road trip or just need to store it at home, the scooter's design makes it simple to fit into the trunk of most standard-size vehicles. The rear section, which is the heaviest of the 4 pieces, weighs only 29 pounds, so it's not a strain to handle or lift, even when you're on the go. The folding tiller and removable seat allow for easy disassembly and storage, making portability a top feature of this scooter. The intuitive control panel on the tiller console makes operations simple. You can easily adjust the maximum speed with a variable speed dial, switch between forward and reverse, and turn on the headlight. A color-coded battery life indicator gives you a quick and easy way to check the scooter's battery status at a glance. Plus, you can activate a warning tone when needed for added safety. Click subscribe like you just found a scooter with the smoothest ride ever. Number 2. Best overall. SuperHandy Passport Mobility Scooter. Looking for a lightweight, travel-friendly mobility scooter that doesn't sacrifice power or performance? The Passport Mobility Scooter is exactly what you need. This scooter is powered by a long-range dual battery system that ensures you can go the distance without worrying about constant recharging. With 2 44.4-volt, 2 amp-hour lithium-ion batteries, it provides an impressive 13 miles of travel on just one charge. You won't be left stranded either. The scooter reaches a top speed of 3.7 miles per hour, making it perfect for getting around quickly and efficiently. What's even better is the rapid recharge time of just 1.5 hours, meaning you can spend more time on the go and less time waiting for your scooter to charge. Despite its powerful performance, the Passport is surprisingly lightweight. Fully assembled, it weighs only 35 pounds, with its components breaking down into an easy-to-lift frame, 27 pounds, seat, 8.2 pounds, and battery, 2 pounds. When it's time to store or transport, the scooter folds into a compact 24 by 22.4 by 16.5 inch size, making it a perfect travel companion. Comfort matters, and the Passport delivers a smooth and enjoyable ride. The padded faux leather seat provides a cushioned experience, while the adjustable handlebar height, ranging from 29.5 to 35.4 inches, lets you find the perfect position. With 2.5-inch ground clearance, this scooter is ideal for indoor spaces and flat outdoor surfaces, ensuring easy maneuverability wherever you go. Built to last, the Passport is made from high-grade aluminum, allowing it to support up to 275 pounds without sacrificing performance. Powered by a durable brushless hub motor, this scooter is designed for both indoor and outdoor use on smooth surfaces, offering reliable and consistent performance for daily mobility. Everything you need comes right in the box. The Passport includes 2 batteries and a charger, so you're set from the moment you unpack it. The solid 6.75-inch tires provide excellent stability, while the front hanging basket adds convenient storage for your essentials. Whether you're running errands or enjoying a day out, this scooter makes getting around easier than ever. Try Amazon Prime on us for 30 days free. Link below. Number 1. Our pick. Aotedor Mobility Scooter. Looking for a mobility solution that's both safe and easy to use? The Aotedor Mobility Scooter is designed to give you reliable assistance wherever you go. With a durable aluminum alloy frame providing 4-sided support, this scooter is built for strength and stability. Plus, the 4-wheel design ensures a smooth and steady ride, so you don't have to worry about wobbling or tipping. And the best part, you can fold it in just 3 simple steps. No tools or disassembly required. Traveling with a scooter has never been this convenient. Weighing only 42 pounds, the Aotedor scooter is TSA friendly and equipped with 2 powerful lithium-ion batteries. Each battery holds 249 6/10 watt-hours of power, giving you an impressive range of 22 miles on a single charge. The batteries are easy to remove by hand, and the front one even serves as a backup. Despite its lightweight frame, this scooter can support up to 242 pounds. The combined battery weight is just 8 8/10 pounds, making it easy to carry and swap when needed. Speed and power are where this scooter truly shines. The high-speed, brushless motor delivers a smooth and quiet ride with an adjustable speed range of up to nearly 5 miles per hour. Whether you're maneuvering through a busy shopping area or navigating outdoor paths, the Aotedor scooter handles it all with ease. Thanks to a tight turning radius of just 43 inches, you can make quick turns without struggling in tight spaces. Comfort and convenience are at the heart of the design. The upgraded control panel is simple to use, displaying your battery level, speed mode, forward and reverse lever, headlight switch, and horn. You can adjust your speed and direction effortlessly with just a few buttons. The scooter also comes with a waterproof front basket that measures 12 inches long and 10 inches deep. Perfect for carrying your essentials. Plus, there's an underseat storage compartment for extra space. With a wide 15-inch cushioned seat, you'll enjoy maximum comfort on every ride. And to keep your scooter in top shape, the included cover protects it from dust, water, wind, sun, snow, and more. When it comes to safety, the Aotedor scooter is ahead of the game. This 2025 model meets multiple international safety certifications. The anti-rollover rear wheels offer extra stability, while the built-in headlights and reflective design ensure visibility in low-light conditions. Whether you're a traveler, adult, or senior, this scooter is built with your safety in mind. Just be sure to read the instruction manual thoroughly before use to avoid any issues. Remember, we've done the hard work, sifting deep into the research so you don't have to waste time on subpar products. For more product info, check the affiliate links below or our website, toppick3.com. Thanks for watching.